Today we're going to be smoking up some chicken wings with a delicious Wingstop-Style Brazilian Rub. These are packed with bold spices, a little kick, and that amazing tropical vibe. These wings are dangerously good. In fact, they're not just dangerously good, they are proper finger-licking good. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Really simple one. Wings. Who doesn't love wings? Everyone loves chicken wings. And these are a Wingstop staple. I make my own Wingstop sauce. Again, I've got it in an old tub of store-bought rub. My son absolutely loves the Wingstop Brazilian wings. So I came up with a recipe. I will put this down below in the description as always, because I had loads left and I wasn't going to make up more. Anyway, let's attend to the wings. Let's tip them out. I've got some lovely wings here. And what we want to do is just take off the wing bit. Okay, so just the flappy bit here, we don't want that on there. It's just going to burn, so take that off. Now, if you want to, and some people like it, I prefer a whole sort of wing like that. You can then chop it again down there, but I personally don't see the point. So I'm going to crack on. I'll do the rest of these, and then we can season it up and get it on the smoker. Okay, so that is that job done. Let's take these off. Actually, I'm going to take one off. Sweating in there. Get your Brazilian rub and just give it a really good coating with this stuff. This is lovely. It's got like citrus notes in it. There's lime zest in there. You've got chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm listing it already and I said I'd put it down in the description. Anyway, let's give it all a good coating. Probably needs a little bit more. I like these nicely coated up. I want plenty of that seasoning on there. That's it. Just give it all a really good mix around. That's it. And when you're happy with how they're coated, I'm not. Still want some more. Plenty. That's it. We're going to then stick them on the smoker. So the smoker is preheated to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 C. Again, you could do these in the oven. You could do them on your standard barbecue. Offset would be best. And that's it. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's get them on. Just tip them on. I'm breaking my own rule here. I'm going to get my grill a bit dirty, but I have put a tray underneath. And then just spread them out. We're going to flip these halfway through. But you just want to make sure they've got plenty of circulation. All that smoke's getting to them. Oh, yeah. That's it. Move those around. Happy with that. So I'm going to check on those in about 20 minutes time when we'll flip them. I'll see you then. Okay, it's time to flip these over. They've had their 20 minutes. Guys, honestly, the smell coming from here is absolutely amazing. Flip them all over. They're getting some nice coloration on there as well. Exactly what we want. I think I flipped that one over. I'll flip it back. Last couple, and I'm going to give that another 20 minutes now. Okay, so I've just done a temperature check on them. These are reading at 74, so these are done. So I'm going to get them over onto the board. We're going to give them a try and see how we have done. So there we have it, my Wingstop Brazilian style wings. I'm up against the elements today, guys. The weather has been awful, so I'm sort of rushing around. I pulled them out. Let's give one a try. Let's pull that apart. I like the flats. I'm a flats man. They are delightful. Wow. They're crispy. They're zesty. They're smoky. They are the real deal. Wow. Definitely give these ones a go. That's it from me for today, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share, and comment. If you try these or you've got a different variation, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I'll put all of the details of today's Wingstop Brazilian style chicken wings down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.